on email. So now they didn't even want to see anything. They didn't want to talk. They just wanted to think, no. Sugalla. And then you can't resolve like that. They are failing to attend into most criminal people out there. But now they are just starting people getting together, celebrating and opening the year, and educating them about culture and the vision about things that are happening even politically. So that is a wrong situation. And the violence is a culture of an EFF. Violence, they are never attended the sauna the day before yesterday as a result of violence. They intimidated me, they distracted me while I was talking, exercising my democratic right of freedom of expression, addressing my nation. They distracted that. They took my phone, they even phoned Jesse, and Malema is so desperate. Loco kugile umalema oy ufuthi umongaka phanchile manje ibhola phanchile ke lapha wazulula akudlalwa ekwenza stadium nomkhokho